Hi there folks, Gareth here, and this time we're having a look at the memory for our home-built computer without breaking the budget of £300. We've picked from Reichelt the Kingston HyperX FURY 8GB kit, which costs £54.15. This is a smart set of RAM. It recognizes the host platform automatically and overclocks itself so that it'll get the highest speed frequency of up to 1866 megahertz, so you don't have to. Also happens to be a jet black, good looking set of RAM as well. I've always thought that was a bit pointless because it does generally sit inside a machine that you're not going to see it in. A fair few have open-ended machines that would benefit from such a set. However, not in this case. It's just a mild bonus. But they are a good looking set. It's got a nice heat sink over the top. It's also available in various different colors. We have the black here. You can get it in blue, red and white. One of the benefits that also comes with this, way down the spec sheet, is that it has a lifetime warranty. And apparently free technical support, although I can't imagine too many people taking advantage of that. Getting the right RAM for your motherboard has been a problem over the years. However, nowadays it seems to be an awful lot easier where you can just pick up a smart set like this and it'll automatically do the work for you. So check out the playlist with the other 3 parts of the video so far, the case, processor and motherboard, and we'll get this clipped in as next we're having a look at the graphics card. So hit subscribe, show some love in the comments section, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care now.